The Vijayanagara Empire once employed thousands of architects, soldiers, poets, all dependent on royal patronage. When Rama Raya miscalculated at Talikota in 1565, the empire didn't just lose a battle. Overnight, an entire ecosystem of skilled professionals scattered like autumn leaves.
भाई, Google just cut 10% of managers, Meta ने 21,000 छोड़ दिए. But ये तो quarterly earnings की बात है, not some battlefield defeat. These are profitable companies playing musical chairs with human capital.
Precisely the parallel. Vijayanagara's treasury was full even at Talikota. The empire fell not from poverty but from strategic arrogance, overextension, bloated administration, forgetting that every courtier fed a family. Sound familiar?
Okay, thoda brutal hai but accurate. Tech companies hired like Maharajas during the ZIRP era, zero interest rate policy, ab reality check aa gaya. Growth at all costs turned into efficiency, aka cutting the middle to pump stock prices.
The Vijayanagara sculptors who carved Hampi's temples? After 1565, they became wandering artisans, their generational knowledge fragmented. Today's senior engineers with 15 years at one company face the same diaspora expertise atomized for quarterly optics.
And just like those scattered Shilpis couldn't rebuild Vijayanagar, these laid-off teams can't recreate their institutional memory elsewhere. LinkedIn पे सब open to opportunities लिख रहे हैं, but the architecture of innovation? वो तो crumbled.
History teaches us, empires that treat skilled people as expendable assets rather than generational investments always face the same fate: short-term survival, long-term irrelevance.
Silicon Valley built its temples on human capital, then sacrificed the builders for the balance sheet. Talikota wasn't a battle, it was a choice. And so is this.